selection in UPSC CSE 2020. Not only that, nearly 50 plus questions in Prelims 2021 have come from our various prelim related resources. Continuing the trend, in Mains 2021, we have the hit rate of about 70% for your GS paper Mains 2021. All this has been possible because of our expert content curators who work 24/7 to provide you with most up-to-date and relevant information via our daily newsletter Gazette, weekly newsletter Kosmos, Mains final pages and main support program. Not only do we provide you good quality content, but we also believe that an aspirant needs a guided approach, which we help via our mentorship module. Edukemy provides you a 360-degree approach by helping the candidates in all the stages of preparation of prelims, mains and interview. We make civil servants out of aspirants. Join Edukemy, where success meets you.